There are many ways to make money online in 2023. Some popular options include: start a blog or YouTube channel and monetize it through advertising, sponsored content, or selling digital or physical products. Sell products or services on an e-commerce platform such as Etsy or Amazon. Become a freelancer or consultant and offer your skills and services online through platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Invest in cryptocurrency or other online investment opportunities. Participate in online surveys or sign up for paid focus groups. Sell your photos or other creative works online through stock photo websites or your own portfolio. Create and sell online courses or webinars. Offer your services as a virtual assistant or customer service representative. Buy and sell domain names or websites for a profit. Remember to do your due diligence and research any opportunity before you commit to it, as there are many scams and fraudulent schemes online.